Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a network cable is not properly plugged in or maybe broken fix. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows. Go to your troubleshooting, and after that go to your other troubleshooters, run the internet connection, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu and go to your device manager. After doing this, that select a network adapter, right click on a update driver, click on browse my computer from drivers, click on let me pick from a list available driver on my computers, select it and click on next to install and close it. After doing this step, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click, go to your device manager, and after doing this just select a network connection and right click on a update driver, click on search automatic from drivers, click on a search from update driver on Windows Update. If any updates available, then download and install in your PC. So at this time, literally I install now. So close it and restart your PC. And I am sure that after doing this, that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your right click and go to your device manager. After opening there, select a network adapter, right click, go to your properties, go to your advanced options and find out a speed and duplex. Now here is a speed and duplex. Select a 100 mbs half duplex. Click on OK button, and if your problem is still, then you can select a 100 mbs full duplex. Click on OK to continue, and after that close it and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.